What's going on, guys? Austin Zabak here with another luxury house tour. Today we're in Paradise Valley, Arizona, and we're listed at $3,800,000. And I'm here with Lily Keating.
This beautiful contemporary mansion behind us is 4,944 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, listed by Lauren House with Engel and Voelkers Realty.
Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So what I love about this house is right as you kind of pull in the driveway, first and foremost, I mean, you're completely secluded. You can't see anything here. We're actually on over an acre, Lily, which is pretty crazy. You don't really feel that. When we take a look at the backyard here in a little while, I feel like the majority of the acreage is in the front yard.
Oh yeah.
But it's actually kind of cool because you're really secluded back here. Now, what do you think about this bridge here?
I love it. It's like your own little sanctuary right here. Pretty cool.
Like, look at this. This is like a totally custom. This is like an aluminum bridge. We kind of go over like this really cool little wash. I don't know. I really like that. I would love to know like what this house looks like in the rain.
Oh yeah.
You know?
I love how it's so contemporary as well.
Yeah, same here.
I've never seen a more contemporary house than this.
So as you walk kind of into this, like, I guess you would call this like the courtyard. We're walking up here. You've got some step ups. We have all the lighting in the concrete. And right off kind of to the left here is really a really cool, like a little game room and a loft area, which we're gonna talk to them about here just in a little while.
Look at that tree, it's pretty cool. It's obviously matured. It's going into the roof a little bit, which is awesome. I'm sure when it's raining, it sounds like a rainforest in there.
Yeah, I really like that a lot. I love it's like a big mesquite tree. I mean, it really can't tip over any more than that, but hopefully it stays just like that, you know?
You could even put a little sitting area right there.
You could. Yeah, and again, that side of the house is almost like secluded from the rest of the house, which I really like.
Yeah, it's like a suite almost.
Yeah. What I really love too, Lily, is if you stand right here, you can see, so obviously that's the backside of Camelback Mountain. You've got Mummy Mountain, and you just have literally a clear shot of like the entire mountain there right from your front yard, which I think is really, really cool.
Yeah.
I mean, if you got binoculars, you could see the hikers in the morning.
And you even have the privacy too with all these trees, so.
You do.
Really private.
A ton of privacy. Okay, so as we walk right here into the front of the house, I absolutely love this. In my opinion, this right here is like a statement piece. You stand here and it's like that big V.
Such a wow factor.
Such a wow factor. And I love all, like, when you look at that bridge over there with the aluminum, you've got all the big aluminum, and it's just like, the architecture here is just incredible. And what's really interesting is we were talking to the listing agent, and they were telling us that the house was originally built, quite a few years ago. But then they came in and they redid the entire thing. So, a lot of the architecture, from the original architect is still here.
Yeah.
But they redid a lot of it too, which I think is really cool, obviously. So I love right when you walk through the front door, we got this beautiful chandelier here, super modern, totally fits the house. And I love kind of the open ducting.
Oh yeah.
I think it all goes really well, tons of natural light. And then look at the ceiling here. Look at the amount of actual lighting we have in this home.
Oh yeah.
I mean, at night, that would be on another level. That would be really, really cool. Very unique. And I love the uniqueness of the property, right? And I think it's very fitting for Paradise Valley. I think it's really cool when you have the mountain and just all the architecture that you see in here.
Look at this poured glass. It's super unique. I've never seen it before. Have you seen it?
No, I've never seen that in a home before. I really, really like that though. I think it really fits the property very well.
Yeah.
And I love kind of walking in here, when you have, just first and foremost, the kitchen is just gorgeous, right? But then these appliances are like extremely, extremely high.
Top of the line, Sub-Zero.
Top of the line, everything. I mean, look at this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Awesome, awesome, awesome appliances. Awesome stove.
All the detail here. I heard there's even a little doggy bowl right here, which is really cool.
I really like that a lot, actually. And there's actually a little doggy door around the corner too, which is cool. So you can open that up and actually put your water and food in there for the dog.
Yeah.
You know what I love, Lily? When you stand right here, and this might be why they even had this little bar right here, is you can sit here and with these massive windows, you're just staring right at that mountain.
Yeah, gorgeous. What other house has this over here
I've never seen that. Like, I've never seen that clear of a shot, just almost straight up, like as if the mountain's literally in your backyard.
Yeah. So off the kitchen here, we have a nice little casita. It looks like it's even locked. It has a padlock, so it's literally its own casita. It has a little kitchen here.
Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, it has a separate entrance too. Yeah. So, I mean, you could have, family come over, whatever, and they can come right through their separate entrance. Like you said, you have a full kitchenette, microwave, everything you need.
AC.
Separate air conditioner, massive little bathroom here. Actually, I really like this.
Yeah, it is. It's a full bath, obviously.
And I love the angles in this house. Like, look at this shower. Look at how you kind of have this really cool angle.
Oh, yeah.
Everything's like a triangle, or it's like, the architect really did a good job, I think, when he designed this house originally.
Super contemporary.
Very contemporary, very unique, but very cool. I mean, I don't know, there's a lot of people nowadays that are just building the same old house. And I think it's really cool standing in this house, and I can't wait to show everybody the backyard. Because it is just beautiful, and it's not something you see every day, and I really like that.
Yeah.
I think that that's really cool, and I think that the right type of buyer will really come to appreciate the home that we're in right now. So let's go ahead and go check out the rest of the house.
Yeah, let's do it.
So right here, Lily, as you walk back in, we've got a nice little wet bar here. We have the sink, we've got the open shelving. We actually have 2 refrigerating drawers here, along with the wine cellar there, which again is extremely convenient being right next to that big door, right? And then as we walk in here, I really like this a lot. We actually have the office right next to the theater room.
I know I've said sanctuary a lot, but every room, it's just like another sanctuary.
It really is. Like, I can picture myself coming in here. It's almost soundproof in here, too. And just having a nice desk in here, reading in the morning. Again, you've got the mountain views out there. I really like it a lot. I love what they did with this wall here with the wood. I love what they did with the built-in. And then I kind of love how you just kind of step down here right around the corner, and you're right in your at-home theater, which is really cool. And you could probably even do like some cool theater seating or something in here if you wanted to, But again, I really like it in here. It's very homey, very nice, just feels good.
It is. It's almost like there's soundproof in here as well.
Yeah, there totally is. I mean, you could shut the door, like imagine on a Friday night or something like that, and just, enjoy, kick back with family, friends, entertain. You've got the pool, people are swimming, people are having a good time. And then again, we have another bathroom here as well.
Oh, wow.
So very cool. Obviously, we do have a full shower. We have obviously the commode. We have the vanity. Again, very beautiful. Obviously, the mirrors. I love the vanity. I love the light fixtures. I love everything about it. Okay, so I like that. Really, that's kind of cool too. You got kind of
attention to detail on everything.
Yeah, again, a ton of attention to detail. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom. So when you walk in the master, I really do get kind of that wow. Obviously, we don't have a bed in here right now, but you could see where the bed would go. We do have a nice, beautiful coffee bar here. For me, personally, this is a must-have. Wake up, the first thing I need is a cup of coffee.
Right. So as we come into the master bathroom, this is super cool. I love this bath. This is, I'm short, but even a tall person could lay straight out in here, which is really nice.
Yeah, I'm almost getting like hotel vibes.
Yeah.
Which I really like almost like I'm staying at like the W or something,
Right.
I really like it a lot. I love how big the shower is. I love the dual vanity. Again, very, very, very modern. This almost kind of reminds me of like a locker almost.
Yeah.
Like an old high school locker.
And again, everything, just such detail. Like, look at this. This is where the water comes out. That's super cool. Yeah, I love that. And the lights right here as well.
Yeah, I do. I love that. So this might be one of my favorite rooms in the entire house that we're about to walk into right now. Because I just love how unique it is. So I love coming in here. I don't even know, what do you call this? You kind of come in here and this is just, I guess, kind of like a room in between rooms. You could chill, have a little sitting area, whatever. But again, I love the architecture. I love how the ceiling slants. And then this room right here, I really like this room. Now, I'm almost getting like workout vibes. Yeah,
maybe you could put a little gym in here. The loft, that's awesome though. What would you put up there?
Well, I suppose if you had kiddos, you could do like a playroom, you could do a toy room, your kids could have sleepovers, they could do a ton of stuff. And then, imagine being like a 5 or 7 year old with this room.
Yeah.
Like you'd be the freaking coolest kid in school.
Oh yeah.
No matter what.
So yeah, we have another bedroom here out of this, left wing of the house, and it's super cool again because it looks like, another
separate entrance.
Wow,
I like that a lot.
And this is where the tree is. I would put a table, some chairs out there. I think that'd be awesome. Wake up,
Yeah. It's a big bedroom too.
Yeah.
You have the garage on this side of the house, which makes it really nice because you have the kind of the 2 rooms and the garage, kind of this little sitting area, and you're really excluded from the rest of the house, which I think is really cool.
So I love the fireplace over here. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I really like it a lot. Again, when you open this door, obviously the panels of the door go all the way into the wall, completely hidden, right? And then we have that piece of glass, which really gives you, obviously of the indoor-outdoor feel, but the fireplace is literally indoors and outdoors simultaneously.
And I've never seen that. Have you ever seen that?
No, I've never seen that. And I love how, again, when you're looking at the lines and everything, we're perfectly parallel with that front door as well. So right when you come in the front door, you're looking at this.
Yes.
And that ends up being the statement piece, which again carries right into the backyard. When you look at the pool, the diving board, we'll talk about that more in a minute, but I've never seen that before, ever.
What I really love about this backyard is just look at all the detail they put into it. Look at the wall, the artwork on the wall back there. Everything's just super, the diving board has its own waterfall.
Which is insane, by the way.
Yes.
So you've got the diving board with the waterfall. Look at that piece of art right there in the corner. I think that's just gorgeous. And I love the way they did the tile. You mentioned the tile. Like, look at how cool the tile is. It's almost like, it gives you like kind of a rainbow type of vibe.
Yeah.
I really like that a lot. And you mentioned back here a little while ago when we were walking, Lily, look at that way they designed the concrete and everything here. And how they have kind of the slabs that you can actually walk across, but they're actually in the pool.
Yes.
Which I really like. And again, you have all that same tile around all of the slabs of concrete, which I think is really, really, really cool.
So back here, it looks like they have a little sitting area with some nice tree coverage.
Yeah, I really like that.
They even have the lighting, so at night, you could sit up there, read a book, eat maybe a nice little dessert or something.
Yeah, imagine this at night, like for real. I mean, you stand up here and you can actually see directly over the top of the house, and you can see the top of Camelback Mountain and Mummy Mountain from right here.
That's awesome.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure to go ahead and smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, drop in the comments down below if you have any questions at all. And Lily, I think you had a couple words.
Yeah, so I want to say thank you to Lauren House for letting us, show off your beautiful, contemporary, modern mansion.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.